How to insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to add an interactive checkbox for digital forms, since the Developer tab isn't shown by default. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click File at the top left. After that, click Options. At this point, click Customize Ribbon on the left side. Following this, scroll down the list on the right and check the box next to Developer. From here, click OK. At this stage, place your cursor where you want to add the checkbox. Following this, click the Developer tab, now visible in the ribbon. From here, click the Checkbox Content Control icon in the Controls group. Once inserted, Word adds an interactive checkbox right where your cursor was, ready to be checked or unchecked directly in the document. At this stage, by default, checking the box shows an X. So if you'd rather use a check mark instead, select the checkbox first. Following this, click Properties in the Developer tab. From here, next to Checked Symbol, click Change. At this stage, select the Wingdings 2 font from the symbol box. Following this, choose one of the checkmark icons shown. From here, click OK, then click OK again to apply it. That's how you insert a checkbox in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like